ladies and gentlemen, occasionally I call you sheeple. Occasionally I demonstrate a great impatience with the way things are, and sometimes with the way you are. I would not do that if I did not care about you. For if I did not care, I would not bother. I love you all. You are the sum total of everything that I care about, and the Constitution and the Bill of Rights protects us against usurpation of our Creator-endowed rights, those rights given to us by God that make us what we are. I hope that you're beginning to understand me and what I am about. For it's not complicated at all, ladies and gentlemen. I cannot and will not join any organizations simply because I do not need a leader. I also am a messenger, and to join an organization pins me with whatever that organization is. Whether I am or not, I get labeled with that label. And then millions of people will not listen to what I have to say if I am wearing a label. So while many Jews may think I'm anti-Semitic, and many blacks may think I'm anti-black, and many Aryans may think I'm anti-Aryan, and on and on and on and on, I am only a messenger. I deliver the truth, whatever that truth may be. I will continue to do that until every single person upon the face of this earth has heard my message. And once that is done, it will be time for me to go, folks. For that is the sum total of the purpose of my life. The message is that mankind must mature, must grow up, and we must do it now. We are playing with toys that can destroy us all. We have fractured ourselves into groups which oppose each other with the end result of destruction of races, peoples, countries, maybe even continents. Maybe even all life upon this earth. We are flirting with destruction. We have abandoned God, and I'm not even going to begin to try to tell you the consequence of that action. This is the only nation in the history of the world formed upon the cornerstone of God, Creator-endowed rights. We must go back to basics, go back to our Constitution and our Bill of Rights, and we must go back to God. If we do not, we, as a nation, as a people, are doomed. I want to take a moment now to thank two very special people in my life. I get my sustenance from them. I derive my courage from them. They care for me when I am wounded. They prop me up. They dry my tears. They are always there for me. You know very little or nothing about them. My wife, Annie, and my little daughter, Dorothy, whom I call Pooh. Annie and Dorothy, I love you more than I could ever say. And for those of you who doubt the power of God, I've recently been praying that the children who were lost to me would come home. Jennifer Lynn, you have come home. I love you. I have always loved you. I dedicate the closing musical selection to those who have been with me during the roughest times of my life, Annie and Pooh. Good night. God bless America, and God bless you all.
Woo-hoo!